Hi, party people. This is your boy Arun Chahar. Welcome back to our channel, We Fix Technology. Hope everyone is doing great. Well, here I brought another video for Bagisto. As you've been watching, that I've been creating videos on this specific topic. I'm loving this project. Shout out to Webcool team. Now, this is a little tweak. Often you might have seen when you place an order on Bagisto. Well, the page is not very fancy one. You know what I mean? So if you see this page, this is a custom created thanks page by me. I'm going to get you the source code. I'll let you know how it works. So let's see how the magic happens. Now I'm going to go ahead and let's place an order just to understand how it's going to work. This has the feature of a page plus sending the details to the WhatsApp, which is a game changer. Yes, you don't need an APIs or anything else. All you got to do just they tap on it and it sends from customers WhatsApp to the admin WhatsApp and the job is done. We got the notification, right? So let's go ahead and check out how the magic happens. Let's place an order just for the demonstration purpose. I'm gonna go ahead and let's come to the page. Let me search the products. I'll be adding a few products just to show you on the thanks page how it looks like. Let's pick this one and a bundle product, that one and this one. So color gonna be green, size gonna be large, and add to cart. One is gone. The second is a bundle product. I'm going to choose some items. Done. Okay, perfect. Let's go. Let's forget it. Okay, there might be some caching issue or something. You know how it works. So since I am already logged in into an account, you see the details are saved. I'm going to click on proceed and the shipping method and payment. Let's say cash on delivery, place order, and the job supposed to be done. It'll take a few seconds, let it happen, and here we are. You see that? Earlier, we just had a very basic page which has your order ID and back to home. Now, what I brought this page, though you might change some font color and family, I'm going to get you the source code. It gets you all the name, email, phone number, order date, order items. You see that? Even the variations, everything is here. If you click on continue shopping, it's going to bring you to back to the home page. And the magic is here. Send order detail on WhatsApp. If any of your client after placing the order, click on this. Let's see what happens. It's gonna open their WhatsApp and inject pre typed message, and I'm gonna hit enter. Now here's the message. Hey, I just placed an order. Order ID, name, email, phone number, shipping address, product details, and order status and type, cash on delivery, everything is there. So this could increase the conversion, the when user comes on your website, it gives a great user experience. Even if you see on the mobile version, it is great. See that? Perfectly responsive. So now I'm going to tell you how you can go ahead and get this code into your Bagisto. First thing, get the source code. I'm going to get you my uh, description. In the description, you're going to find my blog link for this custom code. Now, how to install it? Let's see where you're going to go. You're going to have to come into your main Bagisto territory, right? Then go to the packages, shop, then webcool, then find shop. Under shop, SRC, resources, views, and then checkout. Under checkout, you see this page success. You're going to have to replace this page code. If you did not make a separate theme, right? Though this is not considered as the best practice, overwriting the existing code, but just for the sake of this tutorial, you can overwrite this code. But I am telling you the path where you're going to have to inject the code in order to make the customization. So packages, webcool shop, then SRC, resources, views, and under checkout folder, you see this page success.blade.php. Change the code what I have given you. Now, once you put the code, again, this might not work as you want. You have to make a little tweak. The tweak is that come to the code on the bottom and you're going to have to change the WhatsApp number. You see on the bottom, Windows open, you see you're going to have to replace this with your WhatsApp number, including the country code, no space in the phone number, 10 digits phone number, country code plus 10-digit phone number, no space, no plus. That's it. Put your phone number first thing. Second thing, this uses wheat, so it might not work as still. It might show the broken CSS. So what you're gonna do? Come to the Bagisto, then packages, webcool, and under shop, you're gonna have to open your command line CLI. I'm gonna say CMD, and you have to install npm here. Npm install. So this gonna install wheat and whatever is required. Then you're gonna have to run a command npm run build. So this will make your this customized page will work as it's supposed to be. Guys, if you need any customization in your Bagisto, call me. We do offer these services as well. So guys, just wanted to let you know it takes a whole lot of time to create these videos. I want you to get me some motivation. Please like the video. And if you did not subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Thank you. Cheers. Bye for now.